Selena Gomez is stepping into her own and parting ways with her parents as her management team. TMZ broke the story this morning, and E! News is now confirming. TMZ speculates that Selena's breakup with her parents as her managers came as the result of arguments over the direction of her career and her relationship with Justin Bieber. Now, I think the most important thing to note with this entire story is that there's absolutely zero family friction being reported at this time, and that Selena remains close to both her mom and her stepdad, who are reportedly not happy about her decision, but at the end of the day, we are just glad to hear that their family relationships are fine. TMZ also alleges that Selena feels as though she's, quote, outgrown her parents. She believes she's old enough and famous enough to have a seasoned professional manager with other A-list clients. Selena's parents have been acting as her managers throughout her entire career, including her massive breakout both in TV and in music. So is anyone else out there just kind of counting down the minutes until we get word that Scooter Braun and Selena are officially working together? It could be the perfect fit, but E! Online reports that Katy Perry's manager, Bradford Cobb, is being considered as a possible replacement for her parents. This news is bittersweet, but again, we're happy to hear that Selena is moving on to new professional management instead of sacrificing her personal relationships. Other big-name stars like Beyonce have gone on to have incredible careers after splitting with their parents. So what do you guys think? Hit the comment section to weigh in and click right on over here to completely change things up and watch the trailer for our Clevver One Direction movie. It's on demand right now. I'm Jocelyn Davis. Thanks for watching.